In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Tanzania is a country in West Africa and its population is more than 60 million. And here is the city Lindi. This city was the host of a hard-working Shia preacher, Seyed Akhtar Razavi. He had important and serious attempts to promote Shia thoughts in this country and in other African countries. Hujjatul Islam Seyed Akhtar Razavi, who is known as Allama Razavi and is nicknamed the head of missionaries, is a member of the Ahlal-Bayt World Assembly. He is also one of the founders and designers of Bilal Muslim Mission and the School of Ahlal-Bayt in Tanzania, and he established a branch of Ahlal-Bayt World Assembly in Tanzania in 1993. Not only he worked hard to organize Koja Shia Ithna Ashari communities in Tanzania, but also he was engaged in scientific and cultural activities. And in this regard, he guided more than 50,000 people to the true Shia beliefs. He also established dozens of mosques, schools, libraries, and hospitals. Allama Seyed Akhtar Razavi was born in 1927 in a religious family in a tribal village in Bihar state of India. At the age of 20, the late Seyed Akhtar Razavi was chosen as the Imam of Shia community in Halur, India. He also studied and taught at al-Waizin school in Lucknow, and during these years he published several books and articles on Islamic subjects in Indian publications. Perhaps the turning point of Allama Razavi's great religious activities can be seen as his migration to Tanzania. He immigrated to Tanzania in 1960 with the aim of propagating the Shia school and promoting the Ahlal-Bayt's way, and settled in Lindi city and learned the Swahili language. In 1962, Allama Razavi presented the plan of the organization of the Bilal Muslim Institute, one of the important organizations of the Shias of Koja Ithna Ashari, to the Federation of Africa with the aim of propagating Islam, especially Shiism, among the people of Tanzania. And after the approval of the Federation of Africa, this organization founded in 1967. After confirming the position of Bilal Muslim in 80s, Allama Razavi had a lot of trips to Europe and North America and invited some scientists to help the Bilal Muslim organization in Tanzania and Kenya. As a result of the efforts of this prominent scholar, today the circle of activities of Bilal Muslim has been extended outside of the African continent, and in addition to African countries, this organization has branches in some countries like America, Sweden, and some other countries. During his preaching activity, he did many actions, some of which are presenting the establishment plan of Bilal Muslim Mission in 1962, leading Bilal Muslim Mission, establishment of Ahlal-Bayt School in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, establishment of the Ahlal-Bayt World Islamic Assembly in London with cooperation of Ayatollah Sayyid Mehdi Hakim in 1982, Secretary General of the World Islamic Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt in London from 1983 to 1985. Establishment of the branch of the Ahlal-Bayt World Assembly in Tanzania in 1993. Establishment of Bilal Charity in India in 1995. Membership in the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, and also an effective and active role in the construction of dozens of mosques, schools, libraries, seminaries, and clinics and public affairs. One of the enduring actions of Allama Razavi was to send 5 African students to Najaf city to continue studying religious science, and then, due to the unfavorable situation in Iraq, to send them to Qom. This auspicious action has been continuing until now, and a large number of students from different East African countries are currently studying in the seminaries of the holy cities of Qom and Najaf. In addition to individual and group missionaries, Allama Razavi carried out effective social measures in order to stabilize the position of Shias and their welfare in Tanzania. In addition to his numerous preaching and cultural activities, Allama Razavi never stopped researching and used his pen to promote the teachings of Ahlal-Bayt. He authored, translated, and published dozens of valuable books in Arabic, English, and Urdu languages. The Imamate book is in English, which has been translated and published by various centers in Urdu, Swahili, Bosnian, Gujarati, Hindi, and Arabic languages. Allama Razavi, after a lifetime of scholarly struggle and activity in the cause of propagating the religion of Islam and the Ahlal-Bayt speech in the African continent, after 43 years of living in Tanzania in 2002, at the age of 76, passed away. The body of this prominent Shia preacher was buried in the Shia cemetery of Dar es Salaam after a magnificent burial. Following the journey of this tireless preacher, and Shia's religious scholars expressed their sympathy with the Shia community of Tanzania by issuing a message of condolence. Allama Seyed Akhtar Razavi, who is famous for his great preaching efforts as the head of missionaries, was honored in the second conference of honoring the lasting scholars of the seminary in the international arena in 2011 in Qom, and his commemorative stamp was unveiled.